feeling to it. There's Dredge over there, digging out. Got the 4-inch pipe anchor, going like a dream. Seems to be working pretty well. Big pile. So Dredge just moving across the river. It's actually quite low, so we're just going across, digging holes, testing. So he's done one there, just down to the bedrockish. Done one just there. So it goes down about, I don't know, a metre, and then he's just doing one over there. He'll come back and do one in here somewhere, about 2 metres across, go down to the bedrock, and then yeah, happy days. Seems to be going pretty good. Nicely set up. Got the intake over here, piling out there. He can drag it where he wants. Seems to be working really well. Cool. Happy day. Finally.